Everybody talks about dreams, big dreams, expensive cars, a better life, success, respect, but nobody talks about the painful part between dreaming and becoming. Nobody talks about the nights where you sit alone wondering if your life will ever change. Nobody talks about what unemployment really does to a person. Because being jobless is not just about money. It attacks your confidence slowly, silently. At first you stay positive. You tell yourself, it's okay, something will come soon. So you apply everywhere, morning to night. You fix your CV again and again. You learn new skills. You refresh your email every few minutes hoping for one response, one message, one interview, one opportunity. But days pass, nothing happens. Weeks pass, still nothing. And slowly, your hope starts becoming tired. You begin waking up later than usual because there's nothing exciting waiting for you. Your phone becomes quieter, your mind becomes louder, and then comes the dangerous part. Comparison. You open social media and see people your age succeeding. Some are traveling, some are buying bikes, some are getting promotions, some are posting office photos with captions like, "Hard work pays off," and you sit there silently wondering, what about me? You start questioning yourself. Am I useless? Am I behind in life? Did I fail somewhere? And the worst thing is, you can't even explain this feeling properly to anyone. Because from outside, you just look like someone without a job. But inside, you are fighting a war every single day. A war against overthinking. A war against fear. A war against hopelessness. Some nights you can't sleep because your mind keeps reminding you of responsibilities. Family, bills, future, pressure. Pressure to become something. Pressure to prove yourself. Pressure to not disappoint people who believe in you. And sometimes, that pressure becomes so heavy that even breathing feels exhausting. But still, you wake up the next day. And that itself is strength. A lot of people think strength means muscles, money, confidence. No, real strength is waking up every day while your life feels uncertain and still continuing to fight for your future. Real strength is smiling in front of your family while your mind is falling apart. Real strength is hearing rejection after rejection and still applying again. That takes courage, more courage than people realize. And rejection changes people. At first it hurts, then it frustrates you, then slowly, you become numb to it. You start expecting disappointment. You start telling yourself, maybe this opportunity also won't work. And that mindset slowly kills your confidence. But listen carefully, rejection is not proof that you are worthless. Sometimes life delays things because you are being prepared for something bigger. Think about it, a building becomes stronger under pressure. Steel becomes stronger through fire. Diamonds are created deep under stress. So why do you think your struggle has no purpose? Maybe this phase is building a version of you that success alone could never create. Because pain teaches lessons comfort never will. Struggle teaches patience. Failure teaches humility. Loneliness teaches self-awareness. And pressure teaches strength. One day, you will look back at this phase differently. Not as the chapter that destroyed you, but as the chapter that transformed you. Because right now, you are learning how to survive difficult days. And people who survive difficult days become dangerous in life. They stop fearing struggle. They stop depending on motivation. They become disciplined. And discipline changes everything. Motivation comes and goes. But discipline keeps you moving even when your heart feels tired. So keep going. Even slowly. Even quietly. Even if nobody notices your effort. Because success is not always loud in the beginning. Sometimes success starts with silent consistency. One application at a time. One skill at a time. One hard day survived at a time. And listen, do not let society rush your timeline. Everyone's life moves differently. Some people succeed at 20. Some at 30. Some at 40. Life is not a race. And just because someone is ahead right now does not mean your story is over. Your chapter is still being written. But you must survive long enough to see it change. That's the important part. Do not quit before your life changes. Imagine giving up 1 week before your breakthrough. Imagine quitting before the opportunity that could change everything arrives. Because sometimes, one phone call changes a life. One interview changes a life. One opportunity changes everything. And suddenly, all those painful nights begin making sense. One day your parents will smile because of you. One day you will buy things without checking the price first. One day you will sleep peacefully knowing your hard days are finally behind you. But until that day comes, do not stop fighting for yourself. The world may not see your struggle right now, but your future will remember that you did not give up. And that matters. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are human. You are carrying pressure most people know nothing about. So stop insulting yourself for not being where you want to be yet. Growth takes time, healing takes time, success takes time, and the strongest transformations happen silently. One day people will call you lucky. They will see your results, your success, your confidence, your achievements, but they will never fully understand the amount of pain it took to become this version of yourself. Only you will know. Only you will remember the nights you almost gave up, the tears nobody saw, the fear nobody heard, the loneliness nobody understood, and maybe that is why your success will feel different. Because you earned it through survival. So if you are listening to this right now, don't lose hope. Your current situation is not your final destination. This phase is temporary. Your struggle has meaning, your pain has purpose, and your story is far from over. Keep moving forward, even if it's slow, even if it hurts, even if nobody believes in you yet. Because one day, your life will change, and when it does, you'll thank yourself for not quitting during the hardest chapter of your life.